Quilted pillow covers are the perfect way to add a personal touch to any room. With vibrant designs and endless color options, they can breathe new life into mundane spaces. Best of all, many beautiful patterns are available for free. Let's explore some of the top free quilted pillow cover patterns you can make at home. The Go Hideaway Haven Pillow offers rustic charm with its deer-themed design. At 24 inches square, this pillow exudes a relaxed country feel and makes a great decorative accent. For a dazzling option, try the Dazzling Jewels pillow, featuring a unique star pattern in vintage-inspired fabrics. If whimsy is more your style, the Truffle Trio bench pillow showcases adorable gnomes and mushrooms. At 36 by 16 inches, it makes a fun statement piece. The Patch Tractor pillow is perfect for a child's room, with its cute tractor design that's easy to make. For seasonal options, consider the Snowflakes pillow to welcome winter, or the double-sided jack-o'-lantern pillows for Halloween fun. The Fallen Leaves throw pillows capture the essence of autumn with their single-leaf designs. Quilted pillow covers offer endless possibilities to express your creativity and enhance your home decor. With so many free patterns available, why not try making one yourself? You'll add a unique handmade touch to your living space while enjoying a rewarding quilt project. Want even more quilted pillow cover patterns to spruce up your home decor? Find a comfy collection of designs at ilovequiltingforever.com.